Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Right, so in today's video I want to talk about the ICT structure, like the market structure for beginners. Okay, so in our last video we talked about the ICT market delivery, right, where I show you guys different market delivery and how you can use it on your advantage. All right, now what I'm doing on this channel, okay, is that I want to simplify all these big ICT videos, right, for beginners. Because if you come to ICT official channel here on YouTube, you can see that you have over 624 videos, and to be honest, it's going to be a very bulky information for you as a beginner to assimilate. All right, so that's why I'm trying to simplify it, okay, for people that want to go into ICT, okay, concepts in trading. You can still come to his channel and learn more, right? I'm not going to teach the way he taught on his own channel, okay. I'm just trying to help people, all right, to understand it in a simpler form. So that's why I have this channel right here. So please, if that interests you, I would like you to like this video and subscribe on the channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going forward to talk about the ICT market structure for beginners. All right, so today's video is going to be as simple as anything. All right, so I've already had this drawing on my chart and I'm going to use it to explain this particular market structure very well. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have different ways that different market structure, which we have the uptrend. All right, we have the uptrend. Okay, we have the downtrend, we have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, right, and also we have the consolidation. Okay, so these are the three market structure that we always found in the market. And for anybody that is beginner, it is very important you understand this particular concept, okay, and it's going to help you to trade ICT very well. Because whatever you are doing in the market, you need to also be the friend of the trend, follow the trend, all right, to make your decisions. So let's start from the very first here, which is the uptrend. Now when we talk about the uptrend, I'm going to tell you what makes an uptrend being an uptrend. Do you understand? So let me use from here. Now you can see this point A here now, okay, to this point B up here. All right, this is what we called a structure. This point A, point B, and point C. Look at the point C here, this one here. So these places that I have marked out are different points, and this, from this point A, point B to C, this thing makes up a structure. Do you understand? So far market is within, from this range up here, from this range up here like this, all right, come down this way. Sorry, think let me explain it more so you understand. Okay, so far market is just within this range. All right, it is still, that's what we call the structure. From this zone, as it goes up here, something like this, something like this, all right, here now comes down here. This is a structure. Okay, now this structure, what it means is that once market was able to break this where I circled, all right, to the upside, then we are in an uptrend. Okay, so like, let's take example that you are an athletics, okay, and we are running from point A to point B. All right, so what you do is that if you run from point A to point B, you rest, okay, and you start your running again, right? Let me delete all these drawings so the chart will be clear more. So if you run from this point A to point B, then you rest. After resting, you run again, you get more energy for your more acceleration. For the fact that you haven't broken this low here, this record here, you are still in your what direction. Okay, so that is why I circled that zone and told you guys that once you are still in that zone, okay, once you are still in that zone, you are basically still in an uptrend. So, and like you know, you don't just come and run straight. You run, you stop, you have a break, you push again, right? You have a break. That's why once market takes out the high, that's where we have this break of structure. You can see the way I labeled it. Once you push up again, to break another this high, we have another break of structure, and that is it. So from this point here to this point up here now is another structure. Okay, once the former high, right, has been broken, then is not valid again. You use the recent high as the valid high. Okay, that's how you mark out your structures. Okay, and also your structure should be marked out both the high and the weak. So let me explain what I mean. If I come to the chart now, all right, and I want to mark out structure, now you can see that this market you are seeing here is an uptrend. Okay, looking at it. So if I want to mark a structure, the high here is what I'm going to mark. This week, I'm not going to say that I'm going to use this body. No, I'm going to mark out this high. So this high here will be my structure, will be so this high here now is going to be what I'm going to mark out. Okay, can you see now? Boom. So that is now my high. All right, so you don't just come and mark out this body. You need to mark out both the high and the weak, everything, the highest point and the lowest point. Okay, that is what you mark out as your structure. Okay, and once it is taken out, that means that high is not valid again. Okay, so I don't have to come, but I just want to use it to explain this for you guys. So let's come down to what I'm explaining right here. So as you can see now, we are on uptrend. Okay, so for the fact that this low, right, is still much protected, then this market is an uptrend. So if market decides to move in this direction for the rest of the year, you are going to be bullish till the rest of the year. All right, but obviously market doesn't do like that. Okay, I'm just saying, in case, all right, markets keep moving this way. Now don't bother about the time frame. This can work in any time frame. All right, but for now, just focus to understand what makes a structure and where and how can you identify a structure. Okay, so it's going to be very bad if you come now and start from this low. All right, when somebody will now come now and say that from this low here, this low down here, all right, to this high somewhere here now is my structure. No, if you do it that way, you fail. The reason you fail is that this particular high here has been broken, so there is no need using this low here as your low. This low one here becomes your valid low. All right, this second low here becomes your valid low. So if you start from here, you are making a mistake. So that's most of time you are not getting an entry because you don't mark out your structure very well. So the structure, it comprises 3 points. All right, so from where it starts and push, when it rested, that's your structure. All right, so as markets keep doing this kind of movement to the upside, you are in an uptrend market. Okay, the way you keep breaking such on the upside, you are in an uptrend market, right? So the only when you have a shift in market structure is when markets now broke or take out the recent higher low. Alright, that is the only when you say okay, markets have shifted in structure. And look at this right here. So like I said guys, you cannot be able to be in an uptrend forever. Time will come when market is going to change from going up to going down, right? Now that's what happened at this place. Okay, market take out this low. You can see this low here. This is the low right here. All right, market has taken it out this way. Okay, so once market broken at this low, that's when we have the shift in market structure. All right, we have the shift in market structure. Some people call it change of character. That is when you see people call it change of character. So let me also put it there in case that's what you want to call it. Okay, it can be called shift in market structure. All right, or you call it change in character. I think I made a mistake from the spelling though. So you can call it change of character, right? Or you call it shift in market structure. Any of them. Let me. So, or you call it shift in market structure. So any of the two will go. That is shift in market structure. So that is it. So is it that you call it change of character or shift in market structure? So that's what it means. So why the only thing that makes it the shift in market structure is that it has taken out the higher low, right? The higher low. Remember we're an uptrend, okay? We're an uptrend. So once the market shifted in structure, that's the only way you know that okay, we are no longer in an uptrend though. We are now in a downtrend, right? I'm not making sense. Okay, that's when you start seeing another break off such to the downside. So now you can see that another kind of market structure has been formed right there. We are now seeing that we have here lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. All right, and the same thing that happened in uptrend is still the same that going to happen in a downtrend. Okay, so this downtrend is another way that market moves. All right, now how does it move? The same thing. If a runner is running, if he runs from point A to point B, he will rest a bit. All right, to get more energy. All right, and run again, run to downside. After running to downside, he rested a bit to get more energy. He pushes down again this way. Right? That is what, as you keep doing it, as you keep creating a lower low, alright, and a lower high, the market is still in a downtrend. It's still breaking such that it's still a downtrend. Okay. The only way you say that okay, this market have changed from its direction is when you see markets, alright, now taking out the higher low. Something like this, take out this higher low from here, take out this higher low, right? Then markets have shifted in structure that way. Okay, boom, something this way. So that's the only way you say okay, market is now shifting structure, is now doing an uptrend. I hope you are following what I'm showing you guys here. Okay, something like this. Then you say okay, this is now an uptrend, right? You are looking for market to come back here now and continue going that way. So that is how to delineate all these things in the market. All right, I hope I'm explaining it in a way you understand. This is how it is. So right here now is going to be your shift in market structure. I'm still going to go to the chart and explain more on this. So here now is going to be your shift in market structure or change of character. So I'm going to label here now your shift in market structure, or it's also going to be, you can call it your change of character. All right, so this is where it happened because markets have taken out this previous higher low right here. Are you seeing what I'm showing you guys? So these are the way you find these things in the market. Okay, and now we are in another uptrend. Market moves this way. Now another way market moves is in this type of movement, which is the consolidation movement, market structure. So this one is pretty very simple to understand. Markets just move in an equal highs and equal lows. So it goes from this point A, somewhere here, alright, and move to the point B up here. Do you see? So that's what we call consolidation. It doesn't really have a specific place it's moving. It's kind of being in a box, alright. Kind of say that they box it in a space, something like this. It is boxed in a space this way, alright. So it doesn't have any particular movements. Okay, it just goes up, equal highs and equal lows. This is exactly what we called this is what we call the market is consolidating. Alright, this is what the market is consolidating. So let me go to the chart now and expound more on this so you understand. Now the only way you will say that we have a break of structure is when the market is closes with a body right above it. If this market closes with a body, as you can see, this is the highest point here, and market closes with a body above it, that is when this break of structure is now valid. Now here now the break of structure is valid. This is because markets have closed with a full body right to the upside. Do you understand? This is when you say that markets has broken structure. I get what I'm saying. So let's look for the ones that doesn't break with a structure. We wouldn't call it that one a break of market structure since the market doesn't close with a body above. Alright, it is still not a break of structure. So I'm trying to, if I can see such kind of thing, right? So right here now, someone will tell me that market broke structure in this place now. So I'm trying to find a perfect example of that so you can know what you are doing in the chart. So let me just use this one as an example. So someone will say that market has broken a structure to the downside here. No, it doesn't break to the downside. This market only closes with a wick. Alright, so once it is a wick, okay, it is not a break of structure. No, the only way market breaks is when it now come to this next candle down here, this bullish bearish candle. That is when markets broke to the downside. Do you understand? But this first one is not a break of structure, all right, because it closes with a wick. So this one is the one that is valid. The market closes below, right, with a full candle, and you can see that market came back, all right, to this fair value gap. Markets came out to this fair value gap and start selling down from here. You can see down here, this is where markets came and start selling down. So this is how you delineate all these things in the chart. So remember, if you want to mark your points, you're going to mark your points, both the wicks and the body. You mark it as your highest point or your lowest point. Are you getting me? But when you want to identify if market have broken structure, it must closes with a body below or above the high or low. That is how you be sure that whatever you are looking for is right. Okay, so market has been coming down this way. So let me show you guys when we have a shift in market structure. Remember, this thing I'm showing you guys is in the daily time frame, so it works in all time frame. All right, so here again market shifted to the downside, so all these things are just the same thing down here. So the only place that market shifted in structure is at this point here. This is where market shifted in structure from here. Okay, so I'm going to now label this one now. So this here now is a break of structure to the downside. All right, and this one here is a shift in market structure to the upside here. That's what you call the shift in market structure. All right, or it can be your change of character. Anyone will call it is fine. All right, it can be your change of character. Yeah, so that is it. because you can see that this is a valid pullback, right? Then market, this particular bullish candle couldn't hold market to the downside and it broke into the upside. So that's what we call the shift in market structure. All right. So that is how to identify this. Like I said, this is in daily time frame. If you still go down to the 4 hour, you're going to still see the same thing happening. All right, in every chart. It is always happening in charts 247, like you see it every day. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. So I also urge you to go to your charts and look out for all these things. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video right here, right? So like I said, you can just come to my channel right here and join the family, right? Make sure you subscribe, like this video, as I'm going to give you guys everything about, you know, ICT concepts and other ways you can trade every single day. Okay, so if you like going to be the part of this kind of content, I would like you to smash that like button in appreciation, alright, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next upload. And until next time guys, peace out.